Sunsun! Lord Sunsun!
What?
We're being attacked!
I'd be delighted.
Lockdown!
Hi, matey. You're the captain.
Yes, Captain.
Yes, Captain.
I would love to. We're being attacked!
Greedy, I'd be delighted.
Yes, Captain.
Ahoy.
I would love
Hi,
to.
matey.
I would love to. We're being attacked! We're being attacked! Zonton, we're being attacked! Dabu!
Greetings.
Sunsun! Dabu!
What? Greetings. Greetings. That doesn't hurt. This is the reason I ended it all. Stop that incessant clicking. Greetings. Immediately.
Make it quick. Yes, yes, I'm growing impatient. Don't push it. When my work is finished, I'm coming back for you. Yes?
Whatever you wish. Immediately. I'd be delighted.
They're destroying our city!
I'd be delighted. Whatever you wish. 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 I'd be delighted. Whatever you wish. Immediately. Whatever you wish. Whatever you wish. I'd be delighted.
That's bad.
Hi, I am Outgados and now I will let's play Warcraft 2. This is the Battle Edition which contains the expansion and the original campaign, so I will start the Orc campaign and I will also play the human campaign. But That will be later, yes. Act 1, Seas of Blood.
The Horde is preparing to launch an assault against the mainland of Lordaeron. Orgrim Doomhammer, war chief of the Orcish hordes and ruler of the Blackrock clan, has ordered you to establish a small outpost on Lordaeron's southern shores. To secure the Zul'Dare region as Doomhammer demands, you will need to construct a barracks and several farms to feed your troops. Your success may help us determine the extent of the pathetic human defenses and what resistance they can offer against our forces.
Objectives: build 4 farms, build a barracks. Okay. Here is a bear. He goes get the gold. There are some alliance dogs here. They must be slaughtered. It's not necessary for the mission, but this is the Orcish land, not the land of foolish humans and elves. The high elves. Oh shit. And so I have destroyed all the humans. And this is our new fucking settlement of awesomeness. I need to find farm. That's the spirit. Okay. Oh.
Look out! Missed me!
Yes. We need to build up barracks and farmers and yeah. Got some lumber so you can make one more farm. Well, 2 more, but 1 more after you have built the first one. There is nothing in this dark area. Nothing but trees and nothing. And no, you can't build faster. You build another farm. That's it. Can you build faster? Harvest lumber. You can build faster. Oh, awesome. I didn't remember that. Yeah. Wait, get wood. So you have to click this, repair shit. So you can build the building faster. Yes, very much. You can make your units better like this. Oh yeah. Okay, let's build that final farm and victory. 1 more. Run, motherfucker. Make an interesting nothing. Blah. And we win soon. Yeah. Victory, save game, victory. Victory. Rank slave. Score 720. And if you use cheats, it will read cheater here. Nation of Azeroth, enemy, Blackrock clan, you. Bwahaha.
Our spies report that a band of human soldiers have captured a war party led by Troll Commander Zul'Jin and have taken them to a secret prison near the township of Hillsbrad. Seeing an opportunity to place these captives in debt to the Horde, Doomhammer sends you to ransom Zul'Jin and his trolls and return them to their own encampment nearby. The war chief believes that this raid upon the unsuspecting prison will strike terror into the hearts of those who would dare resist the Horde.
Objective rescue Julian. Yeah. Return him to the circle of power. And you don't really need to even make a base. Just take these orcs and go fuck shit up. Go. Fuck shit up. Foolish elf. Alright. Bitch. Take that, this, bam, 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 bam. Oh no, motherfucker. Save these sons of bitches. You're free! The trolls are part of the horde. Yeah. Julian. Don't die, motherfucker. Can't let Julian die or you will lose this mission. Number 2, number 1, go. To the boss. Hey, take Julian with you. And, well, like I said, there's no need to build a base in this mission. There are some human forces around here scattered everywhere. Zugzug, Swobo, Lockdown. It's going to search for the humans so that Julian won't get surprise footsteps killed. Go, go, go. Oh. And here is the base. The base of the horde. I mean the base of the trolls. Here is this circle of power where you have to take Julian. These guys can go here. Oh, there's nothing. There's just food. This map is smaller than I remember. Because these guys are stupid, they don't know how to go around. So you have to pretty much make them move yourself. Yeah. Oh yeah, victory is yours. No, Julian, play the song of your people. Yeah, heavy metal. Again. Fuck. Victory again. And one more mission to go. Then this episode will end. And my rank was slave again. Again against Nation of Azeroth, as in Stormwind, I'd say. Wait, I'm not sure.
In preparation for a final strike on Hillsbrad, the War Chief directs you to begin construction of facilities for the Orcish Armada near the South Shore region. Zul'jin and his trolls, eager to take revenge upon the humans who imprisoned them, have agreed to aid the Horde by supplying axe throwers and destroyers to assist in defending your South Shore operation. A shipyard must be constructed in order to build our wave riders, and you will need much of the black liquid known as oil to build your fleet. Our assault on Hillsbrad cannot begin until your task is completed.
Objectives: build a shipyard built for all platforms. Yeah. There are some human dogs in this place. They must be slaughtered because it's my island. Oh no, I should. Wait. Yes, you can do the ritual of good luck with the sheep here as well. I will have to do it a bit later, because the sheep cannot be seen. Because of fog of war. Die. Hey, here's one. You will die. You will explode on my luck. Doesn't explode. He didn't explode. Damn it. Okay. Pull the lumber, fuck. Get some lumber, some boiled forms and barracks and kill these foolish humans. Because the Horde rules this land. I am the captain. Indeed. Okay. Now explode. Die. You have to click it a bit more than in Warcraft 3, I think. After a while he will explode, I think. Explode. Yeah! I'm so lucky now. Upgrade Troll's damage. Troll lumber mill. damn sheeps in my fucking island. Kill them! Fuck you, sheep! Okay, pull the shipyard. Oh. Well, fuck. Pull the barracks. More peons. Oh, I need the fucking farm. Bullet bastard! Okay, pull another. And make some grunts. And get more lumber.
Your command, Master. Ready to work. Your command, Master.
Oh yeah, in this game you could have 3 barracks and 17 food. I mean 16 food. Then you build like 3 grunts at the same time, it will go over the food limit. Yeah, just saying. Like, by the way, man, just like this thing, it's camp. Okay, you there, build me a shipyard. There. That's the spirit. And make one more troll. Trollololo motherfucking sheep. Go. Let's go. 30. Kill this fools. I could have killed them with my sheep, but it might have been owned by the Elvis. Fuck you. Die. Oh yeah, victory. Now make some oil tankers, more farms, more peons. Destroy the forests. Destroy the forests.
Work complete. Work complete.
More oil tankers, damn it. Where the fuck are the sheep coming from? Okay, start making destroyers. Less food, more food. I mean gold. Okay. Okay. Build more shipyards. Oh. 3 more and I'm good to go to destroy the Alliance ships and base. Upgrade for nothing. Oil. I think. And enemy base. Here. In the darkness. More farms. What are you doing? Get to the trees. I fucking hell,
Building
yeah.
ship. Aye, matey. Arg.
Let's go.
Arg. You're the captain. Aye, matey.
Destroy the alliance ships.
Yes, captain.
Go there.
Ahoy. Arg.
Oh, there is no oil.
I would love to, captain. Yes, captain. I would.
Oil
Ahoy.
patch. Shitloads of oil. Then make an oil dig on it.
Arg.
Yeah.
Ahoy. Arg. You're the captain. Ahoy. Being a captain. Ahoy. You're the captain.
Let's spread it.
You're the captain. I would love to.
Destroy.
Ahoy. I would love to. You're the captain. Ahoy.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
You're the captain.
More of these guys. Oh no, what are you doing?
Yes, you're the captain.
Son of a bitch.
You're the captain.
Kill the innocent oil Derek driver team.
Yes, captain. Yes, captain. I would love to. Work complete. You're the captain.
It is my oil place.
Ahoy. Arg.
Right now. Go.
You're the captain.
Pull that oil.
Arg. I would
You
love
go
to.
secure the area.
Ahoy. You're the captain.
To kill the
Ahoy.
enemy ships.
Ahoy.
Not a oil.
Ahoy. Ahoy.
No oil here.
You're the captain.
Final oil is here.
I would love to, captain. Arg. You're the
Oh,
captain.
here's one oil. I'm gonna... Just gonna
Ahoy.
get bonus oil.
Ahoy.
Basically.
Ahoy.
Destroy everything. I'm going to have 2 oil barrels. Only need 4. I mean, yeah, 4. 4. So I'm making 5. For no good reason. And destroying everything Alliance has. Is that an objective? No. All you need is the shipyard for oil platforms. But the Alliance must be destroyed. Burn it to the ground. Get in here. Go there. Must destroy that as well. Might as well make more ships to make it faster. Destroy the forest. Forest. Burn rest. Burn the forest to the ground. Burn. No, destroy that. And soon I will win. Woohoo. Yeah. Now we own the... What was this place? No idea. Jewel something island. Awesome oil base place. And victory! Congratulations, you are victorious. And I will save the game and continue from this next time. I hope you did not enjoy this, I mean whatever. And let's see my rank. Peon! I'm just a peon! I'm just a peon! Took a while to get their voice right. Anyway, Blackrock map, you. Yeah, a national Azeroth sucks. And I will continue from this next time. I guess. Bye.